So typical signs for the need for a roof inspection would be, of course, shingles blowing off in your yard, just noticing any debris or any of the penetrations or accessories that are on your roof that just look odd or appear to be tilted or slanted in any other way. A lot of granule loss in your gutter systems are also a telltale sign that your granule loss is accelerated and it's coming off the roof. Just like tread on a tire, you want to keep that on the roofing system as long as you can. But again, if you're ever seeing your neighbor getting their roof repaired or worked on, you have a roof that's older than 10 years old, those are all good signs to go ahead and make sure that your roofing system is intact. So you would call a professional like us and we'll come out there and do our assessment on that. But of course, easier signs than that would be shingles in the yard or any other leaks on the interior that you're noticing.